Hello collectors, welcome to Collection TV. Today we're going to be taking a look at Murray Clutchburn from Disney Pixar Cars 3. Murray is number 92, sponsored by Sputter in the Piston Cup Racing Series. He has the exact same model as Cal Weathers and Ponchi Wipeout. And though these two don't share the same model, they are supposedly the same character, which is Murray Clutchburn. As you can see, they're still both number 92 and sponsored by Sputter. Murray is a 155 scale diecast made by Mattel with no paper stickers. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Please subscribe to our channel for more Disney Pixar Cars 3 diecast reviews. Like us on social media at Collection TV. See Disney Pixar Cars 3 June 16th. And you can collect these diecasts on May 1st. I'm Henry Motorcoop, and we'll see you next time.